Today I want to show you how you can make money from YouTube by only posting one video. And no, this method doesn't require you to have any followers, views, and the video you make doesn't even need to go viral or get ranked in the search engine. You can literally make money by just posting one YouTube video and following some of the simple steps I lay out in today's training. Okay, let's dive into the video on how to make money on YouTube with one video. The first step you need is to pick a profitable niche. I know everyone tells you that you need to pick a niche based on your passions, but I promise you, if you pick a niche you're not 100% thrilled about, you will be when you begin to see money rolling in. Now the good news is the most profitable niches are actually fairly broad and you can funnel just about any interest under them. The most profitable niches are health, wealth, relationships. Here's what I mean. With health, you can be interested in anything from basketball to vegan baking, and as long as you're promoting them in a way that helps people become healthier, you're in the most profitable niche. Wealth covers just about any possible way to earn or save money, from the stock market to digital marketing. And if you can show how your product improves someone's social status or social life, then your niche falls under relationships. Now, most of you think the next step is to create a viral video in the niche you picked and collect all the ad revenue from YouTube. Typically, the most viral videos happen by accident when you're not trying to make a viral video. Instead, the next step is to pick a product that corresponds to your niche and promote it as an affiliate. Now you might be thinking, wait, I don't have a product. Notice I didn't say create a product, I said find one to promote as an affiliate. If you are new here as an affiliate, we don't create our own products or build our own websites or handle any shipping or customer service. We literally just send people to a product we like, and every time someone buys that product, you get a commission on the sale. See, you're making money without millions of views or followers, just by somebody clicking on your link and making a purchase. It's literally as simple as that. And you can find products to be an affiliate of just about anywhere. Amazon has an affiliate program. eBay has an affiliate program. Walmart has an affiliate program. Literally Google any product you love and then type affiliate programs after it, and the chances are they'll give you a link to promote their product. And if that isn't easy enough, there's even marketplaces like clickbank.com that literally list out products in every niche to choose from. Now, I have to warn you, even though there are literally hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs and stuff to promote out there, they aren't all created equally, and choosing the right products could make or break your business. I'll show you how to get around that at the end of this video so you know for certain you can be successful. Okay, once you've picked your niche, you've found a product to promote, the next step is to actually create the video. To do this, you will want to find trending videos and blog articles in your niche and model what they are doing. If you're selling yoga products, type best yoga videos into YouTube and see what type of videos pop up. If you are seeing videos on stretches for back pain, then your video can be something like 5 best yoga stretches for lower back pain. Or if you're in the make money online space and you keep seeing tutorials on how to make money with ClickBank, you can do a video like best affiliates to ClickBank in 2021. And look, don't overthink quality or editing here. If you're not comfortable going on camera, you can literally just screen share and record your voice. If you're really not comfortable with that, then write a script, head over to Fiverr and have someone record the video for you. It may cost you a bit of money, but you can get some high quality expert stuff done for cheap. And my hope is that every single person watching this video has no excuse to give this a try. Okay, so let's recap. We picked a niche. We picked a product we're promoting and have an affiliate link. We created a quick video related to the product and we're adding the affiliate link in our bio. Now the question is, how do we actually get traffic to the video? Well, you could always share the video in relevant groups like Facebook groups or Reddit or Quora. But since this strategy is for YouTube, the easiest method is literally just to leave comments on other people's channels under their videos. And if you leave a quality comment or respond to someone's question, the odds are people are going to head over to your channel and see your video. And I know this strategy works because I see it on my channel. There are people that leave comments every single time I upload just to drive traffic to their videos. And you know what? I'm totally fine with that. The engagement actually helps me in the YouTube algorithm, and when they answer questions that I cannot get to, the people that are watching my videos leave satisfied, so it is a win-win. How to take this strategy to the next level. Okay, so now you know how to make money online with just one YouTube video, even if you don't have any followers, subscribers, or views. But here's how we can take this to the next level. First of all, instead of driving traffic straight to an affiliate offer, we can drive traffic to something called an opt-in or landing page that captures someone's email address in exchange for a free gift like a training video or ebook. This way, you are building an email list of people interested in your niche, and you can continue to market to them over and over. This is how we build long-term businesses out of these ideas rather than just using quick and spammy methods. The example I am sharing is a health and wellness niche. I am offering a hack based around a total wellness cleanse. Secondly, we can take this to the next level by finding good quality products to promote that stack on one another. Here's what I mean. Often when people learn about these strategies, they'll find one product to promote and run it till it's dry, and they go find another. Instead, I want you to find multiple products that stack on one another, so if someone picks up one product, they'll naturally want to buy the others from you as well. This is how we increase our AOV, or average order value per customer. Now I'll warn you, like I said earlier in this video, this is notoriously difficult and you can make or break your business based on products you pick to promote. That is why I want you to click the link below in the description and check out one of my favorite courses, the Partner with Anthony program. This course literally gives you an entire Rolodex of high converting products, courses, books, and software that naturally go together and you can promote. Not only that, since the program is a partnership with Anthony Morrison, what that means is that he'll literally help you sell them by plugging you into his already running business. That means you get access to valuable resources to build opt-in pages like the one I shared, plus exclusive training and traffic to build your business. If you stuck around to the end of this video, this course is a no-brainer, especially if you are just starting out your business online or having struggled to get anything running. Again, click the link in the description for more details. As always, thank you for watching today's training, and I'll see you next time.